Well, technically, that's the Rio Grande, and that's Mexico.
Hey, how you doing? It's Pat here. I'm having to refilm this intro that I did. I am going to be on Farm Road 170 in extreme southern Texas, basically bordering the border between Texas and Mexico. What this road is, it's called the River Road, and rightly so. It literally borders the river. Now, what you're going to see in this video is me doing way more than what I think is truly necessary. Basically, going from east to west. If you go from Study Butte, or as I like to call it, Study Butt, because I'm still a teenager between my ears, and Presidio, that's all you really need to do. If you keep going west from Presidio, the pavement eventually ends, and that's kind of where what I did, not knowing that's what happened, but then it turns into a dirt road that's labeled an extremely rough, unimproved road or something like that, to where if you're gonna ride it or drive it, you should be prepared or research it more. I have no information on that. All right, let's get into the real video. Thanks.
Yeah, tell me that doesn't look like it was an old fortress. I mean, I'm sure it's natural, but still. Yes, you do need to watch out for wildlife and domestic animals. I don't know which that is, but there's been a lot of signs for free range. It's for sale! We're back in Presidio, established 1683, by the way. If you're going to be here, brush up on your Spanish. Holy moly, am I out of my element. But basically, we are following Texas Farm Road 170. There is fuel here in Presidio, and if you need it, get it, because fuel is not very prevalent on this route. Up here a ways, where I got fuel this morning, just cause they were charging what, $5.60 a gallon, I think, for just regular. Back there it was a little over $3, and today is April something. I don't know. I never know what day it is. It's the Thursday before Easter in 2025. How's that? Well, it may not be overly grand right now, but there's the Rio Grande of Mexico. See, some critter's been walking down through there. Boy, is it hot out. It is basically noon and already 90 degrees. One thing to look out for in the rainy season. During the rainy season, whenever that happens to be around here, I have no idea. There are a ton of dry, what they call creek beds around here like that. And a bunch of crossings with water gauges going over 5 feet. I would imagine there's times this road is completely unpassable because of the flash flooding. Although this road is very twisty and and windy and hilly. Be careful, there are a lot of corners, even straight stretches, that have super fine sand. Could easily take you out. I hit one patch that slid me sideways. Luckily I kept the rubber side down. Those hills. That's Mexico. You don't get much closer without crossing the river.